If you're looking for a breakfast recipe that provides a good source of protein, I have one, egg burritos. I really like this recipe because you can use ingredients that you have on hand. For 2 burritos, I've mixed together 1 cup of liquid eggs and a 1/4 cup of chopped red, yellow, and green peppers and diced onions. Cook until the egg mixture begins to set. Then add a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, leftover chicken, and flavor with a dash of pepper. Continue stirring until the mixture is completely set. Then divide the eggs between the 2 tortillas. These burritos provide an excellent source of high-quality protein, and protein will help keep you going. If you'd like a copy of this recipe, please visit our website at bodybreak.com. Until next time, keep fit and have fun.
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.